Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a really quick one. We're going to show you how to adjust the height on your Xenon headlamps on a BMW. So for those of you that don't know, generally if you had halogen lamps, you'd have a scroller over here, which would obviously enable you to move the headlamps up and down. However, cars equipped with Xenon headlights, as you can see, don't have that. So this knob is actually just for the brightness of the interior lighting. So Xenon headlamps usually come with auto adjusters when it comes to the height, and they sort of level according to the car's height. As you'll see now, when I switch on the car, you'll notice that the lights are raising on their own. And that's pretty much normal protocol when you start a car with Xenon headlamps, which obviously are equipped with the auto height adjustment. So when I was traveling at night the other day, I noticed that the F30 330d's headlamps were shining a little bit too low, and obviously that wasn't ideal for night driving and visibility. So first things first, we're going to line the car up and make sure that the lights are shining against the wall that's nearby, and obviously making sure that the car is facing straight against the wall. As you can see, our Xenon headlamps are shining against the wall in pretty much the same position on both sides. So if you look carefully, I can tell that the left headlamp seems a little bit higher than the right headlamp. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the right one and bring it up so that it is in line with the left hand side, and I'll show you how. So to access the bolt, so to actually adjust the headlamps, you've got to open the bonnet. Okay, so once you've opened up, you'll see that there is a hole over here, which is in line with your headlamps. So I'm going to try and get a picture for you guys with my flash on to show you what the unit looks like, or what you're going to be dealing with to actually adjust the headlamps. So now that we know where we'll be working, you need a set of Allen keys, also known as hex bolts. So the number that we'll be using is a number 6, which fits into that unit there. And then of course you'll turn clockwise or anti-clockwise to actually adjust the height of your Xenon headlamps, which I'll show you shortly. So once you've taken out your number 6 hex bolt, you're going to slot it into this hole. On the F30 it goes in at a slight angle. You just need to line it up, and once it's secured in there, you will then turn either clockwise or anti-clockwise to make the necessary adjustment. In this instance, we want to lift the right side headlamp just a notch to match the left hand side. So I'm not too sure if the camera is going to pick this up. Just to make sure it does, I'm actually going to drop it first by going anti-clockwise. So as you can see, the light is moving. It is very, very slight movements, so it might be difficult to pick up on camera, but you will see that it has moved slightly lower than the line it initially was over. If we look at the left hand side, it's still above that line on the wall. So now I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. So I've just dropped it to show you guys the movement, and now I'm going to go ahead and lift it. So remember, clockwise lifts, anti-clockwise drops it. I know this is very difficult to actually show on camera, but the light definitely is moving. So I'm going to do just one more turn. To get them leveled. Cool, they look pretty much in line to me now. And that sums up how you would adjust your Xenon headlamps on a BMW. So if you actually look through this little gap here, you'll see the connector, or rather the adjuster that the Allen key is going into. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, if you've liked today's content, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.